Another thing that I took off the boat is this panel. It's not working. I tested it and the voltmeter's not working, the battery thing. So I've ordered a new one, so I'm going to replace this. It's probably years and years old. But I'm going to make it look pretty if I can and change it to a new one. Like, the new one has arrived. Fortunately, they still make them. So it should go back just the way the other one did. Right, so next thing I'm doing for attaching my new panel, my switch panel, I've got a piece of plastic like this, and then I cut it in half. Just get the thing to show you. I cut it in half like this. Right. Then I marked a square out the middle, cut a hole out to take the panel. Then I got some of this stuff which you can buy off eBay. It's just vinyl. I got the yellow because it's the colour of the boat. I stuck it on the panel with the hole in. Obviously this is the old panel, but you know, you get the idea. Oops. It will look something like that, and then I'll put it on the boat and wire it in. Well, that's the plan. The next plan. I'll put this panel on the boat, this new switch panel. It all works off the portable battery. This thing, just use this, plug it into the power pack like that. That goes to the back of the panel, which is up there. I've covered it up for now, but anyway, yeah. And then I'll put a little light here, so just to let you know it's on. And you've got that's the side lights. You can't see them, but that's a main headlight. If you can see that. Let's have a look, see if you can see this side light. There's red down there. Can you see the red? Yeah, and this side there is a green. Anyway, and then there's the horn, all running off that little power pack. So I don't need a fixed battery because that's all I need to run for now. That is. Anyway, we're going to put a name on the boat. And we've got one for the other side, and then I've got a couple of smaller ones for the back. See where that was. It used to say Twiggy there, look. You can make it out, so I'll put a smaller one there. And that'll do for today. Put the wheels on. It's going in the water Monday. It is now Saturday. Looks pretty good. Cost less than 10 quid off eBay, that did, to have that made. Two of them. And the two small ones for the best day on. That's a brilliant deal.